Hey, it's Chris Wilhite here with your May 2026 North Idaho Market Snapshot. Here's what the numbers are showing right now for the MLS in Coeur d'Alene. Average home prices in May came in just under $714,000. That's a solid 7.67 year over year increase in the average sold price. On a month to month basis, we saw a 6.1% dip, which is typically seasonal adjustment and actually creates opportunity for buyers who are ready with strong financing and clear goals. The key takeaway: homes priced right and presented well are still attracting serious buyers. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or just want a personalized look at how this affects your situation in our area, text me directly or reply to this video. Kathleen and I are here to help you with your real estate needs.